The smell of the bread and the sound of the coin. There was once a stingy baker, but he baked delicious bread. There was a poor man. He wished to enjoy sweet smelling bread, but he did not have money. So he would stand outside the bakery every day, enjoying the nice smell of baking bread. The baker was very angry with the poor man. He felt that anyone who smelled his delicious products should pay for the smell. So he took the poor man to the court. The judge heard the baker's complaint patiently. Then he asked the poor man, "Do you have any money?" The poor man searched his pockets and produced two small coins. "This is all the money I have," he said to the judge. The judge took the money from the poor man. The baker was delighted. He smiled and eagerly held out his hand to take the money from the judge. But the judge did not give money to the baker. He only jingled the coin together. He then returned them to the poor man, saying, "Punishment should fit the crime. The price for the smell of the bread should be the sound of the money."